Welcome to today's episode of Raise Your Visibility Online with me, Louise Brogan. Today, I want to walk you through step by step how we use Descript as a video editor. So, with our clients, we are doing video for LinkedIn with all of our clients at the moment. And the reason I'm doing video with clients because I really strongly feel that that is the quickest way you can build your visibility online through getting on camera and building that know, like, and trust factor with your clients. So that's all very well and good. What happens? What do you do when you actually have the video? So you record your video and you can record it on your phone, you can record it on your laptop, wherever you want to record it. And it can be you speaking into camera, or it could be you walking somebody through something online. So for example, you may be someone who teaches others how to use Canva. And you want to create a video that walks people step by step through how they can use Canva online. So you're clicking on different buttons and showing them what to do. For me, it might be that I'm creating a video on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So I walk people through the whole LinkedIn profile, create a video of it, and then I need to edit the video. So I'll put a link in the show notes to Descript, but basically if you go to Descript, web.descript.com is where I'm on. They also have an app, of course, and you open up Descript. You click on New Project, which is on the right-hand side, and then you click on Video Project. A screen will open up then, and it looks like it's got a grey box at the top. Underneath that, it says Name Your Creation, and underneath that, it says Upload Your File. You can record directly here. You can write AI speech. You can import from Zoom, and then it has other layouts as well, or paste a video link from YouTube or Giphy, it says. What I do for all of mine is I upload a file. So I click on the upload file and it says, can you please now go and choose the file that you want to work on, okay? So let me pick a file to work on and I click on it and click open and now it uploads the file. While it's doing that, it is transcribing it. And you have to say what language you want. So it says your transcript will be ready in a few minutes. If you have more than one person on the video, you can give the person a name, each person a name, and you then say what language everyone is speaking in, and you click done on that pop-up box, and now we wait. So it's uploading the video, it's audio leveling, and it is transcribing all at the same time. This does not take very long at all, folks. And honestly, it's been a total game changer for me in terms of how we edit our videos. Now, of course, if you don't want to do this yourself, you should hire somebody who has got professional video experience. These tools are not for replacing professionals. They are for helping other people who don't have the funds to hire the professionals. That's what I think. You know, when I started out in my business, I did most of this stuff myself. Now I've got to a stage where I have a team and the team work on things and we outsource to people. As I've been talking, now the transcript has come up. Now, this is a 6-minute video. So it has taken literally, 30 seconds there, 1 minute, less than a minute to upload the entire transcript. But basically, you now edit the video by editing the text. What I mean by that is if I scroll down through the text, there may be a section where I say, let's just pause there a minute until I find something, or maybe I've made a mistake here. So it says, I've written down here, we are a limited company is a public company. And then that's like, that doesn't make any sense. So what if I delete that line and I literally copy and paste, I select, I don't copy and paste, apologies. I select that line and I literally delete it. And that takes that line out of the video. If you have got, here's another section, so about 4 paragraphs down, it says, and then we're going to click on create page. So remember, this is a video about how to create a LinkedIn business page. And if I go to that, I'm just going to play it for you guys. So let me see, click on, going to create click page. Now you're going to listen to me in my video. To click on create page. Okay, this is the bit I'm going to edit. And now we have a page. So there approximately 4,980 milliseconds of dead air. So what I'm going to do there is I selected it and I just hit backspace and it's now removed from the video. And go and watch this on YouTube, this bit of the podcast. So literally I'm going to play it again and you're going to see the difference or hear the difference. Click on create page. And now we have a page. Now, you see how the whole gap was edited out? And you just do that throughout the whole video. So you can also click on where people have said, maybe you've accidentally dropped a swear word in there. You literally select those and you delete them out. And that is it. On the right-hand side of Descript, you then have what they call, it's another menu. It says Underlord, which is a very interesting name. Project, scene, layer, record, elements, captions, and stock footage. If you're going to get advanced, you're going to start to add in stock footage, which is what they call B-roll in the industry. So if you're watching a video online, you'll see someone talking and it cuts to like a scene of whatever it is they're talking about. That's what's called B-roll. So Underlord, that's the one I like. It says edit your sound for clarity, studio sound, remove filler words, that's your ums and your ahs, and verbal clutter. Oh, that's the right phrase for it. Shorten word gaps, add chapters. You can then look good. So it'll add a green screen or generate an image for you. Repurpose, I like this bit a lot. You can create highlight reels. This is really good if you're doing a podcast. So you maybe have interviewed your guest for the podcast. They've made a blooper. You want to cut that bit out so you can use the edit for that. Then you can go and create a highlight reel to promote your podcast on your social media. Find highlights. So what does it deem to be the highlights? This is an AI tool, by the way. Sorry, I should have said that at the top of the episode. And then underneath you've got publish. So it says draft title, summarize the video, create show notes, which would be for your podcast, YouTube description. I do use the YouTube description actually for my YouTube videos because it really simplifies what's in the video and gives you timestamps for the video as well. Draft a social post. I don't use that because I think, yes, AI is great for ideas and resources, but actually, if I'm going to write a post, I want it to sound like a human being. So I'd rather have a human being write it. Likewise, for the blog post, you can draft a blog post. And again, as a tool, I think that's a good idea for a tool because it will give you the key areas to focus on in that video. But I think you should write your blog post yourself. The only other thing I would recommend that you do on here is absolutely add captions to your video. For ease of use, for inclusivity, add captions to your video. And when you click on the captions option, again, go and have a wee look at this on YouTube if you want. You can see captions and they have different styles. So karaoke classic, typewriter, impact, etc., etc., etc. So that is it. And then once you're finished, once you're happy with your video, you go and you hit publish on the right-hand side, top menu. And what I actually want you to do is not publish it. I want you to export it. And you can export the video. You can also export the audio. So it can just be for a podcast. But export the video. You can also export the transcript. You click on export. And that does take a little bit longer, actually, because it's saving all your good work. And your video is ready to go. So that is the video editing tool Descript. What we do next with our clients, with our own content, sorry, not our clients. Well, with our clients, what we do next is we then write LinkedIn posts that go along with those videos, and those are written by human writers. And we do that in a one-off video visibility package, or we do it on a monthly retainer. If you want to go and check out either of those, go to louisebrogan.com and you'll see them at the top menu.